The collaborative robot Sawyer from Rethink Robotics is the perfect starter robot and is also ideally suited for implementing automation solutions when working with small batch numbers. The Cobot supports and advances value creation processes in small and medium-sized enterprises and workshops in particular. Simple programming and high flexibility in use help Sawyer stand out. Processes such as pick and place can be programmed in next to no time. Specifically with this in mind, Rethink developed the intera system, one of the most innovative operating systems in collaborative robotics. Intera works according to a modular principle, meaning programming takes place via a graphical interface, even for complex applications. You can teach Sawyer work processes extremely quickly by simply guiding the arm to the desired position. With a click, the position is saved in the system and the next work step is defined. The ClickSmart system allows the replacing of various grippers in just a few seconds, making Sawyer very flexible in use. Sawyer was designed to work in collaboration with humans and is equipped with several built-in sensors. These allow Sawyer to react to collisions, automatically stopping the working process in order to minimize possible risks in the current application. Should Sawyer wait for human instruction before performing the next task? This is also no problem thanks to built-in sensors. You can communicate with Sawyer with a little push, after which the next programmed work step is performed. 2 built-in cameras ensure the very highest flexibility when performing tasks of various complexity, such as picking unsorted parts. When a laptop is connected, you can access the intera user interface via an internet browser. Using the camera built into the arm, Sawyer can now learn objects and pick them up, even if they are unsorted. This also takes place via the modular intera system without having to enter a single line of code. The innovative landmark system is also made possible by the arm camera. If the working area moves, Sawyer automatically adjusts the coordinates by scanning the landmark and adopting the new working area. Sawyer can take on a wide range of applications, including clamping in a CNC machine, stacking products, or applying stickers and conducting a visual quality control step.